I'm here in Adamsdown Primary School today to talk to their family engagement officer and their community focused schools team, and I'm here today to announce £8.8 million to improve attendance rates in Wales, and some of that money will be spent on family engagement officers, which I believe is a really important way to make sure we tackle the complex barriers that are preventing some children attending school. Attendance has improved slightly in Wales, but we've got lots more work to do, and we're particularly worried about attendance levels for children on free school meals, and attendance is crucial really. We want to raise standards and attainment in Wales, and that isn't going to happen if children aren't in school. Getting them into school is getting them to first base so that we can make sure they get that opportunity to achieve. What we've found in our work with the attendance task force is that the reasons some children aren't attending school are really complex. It could be parental mental health, children's mental health, transport issues, housing issues, poverty, not being able to afford uniform. And the beauty of family engagement officers is they build relationships with the families and can work with them to break down those barriers so that the children can come to school.